It is time for Package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I've got something totally different if it comes to portable systems. I've received this one from funnyplaying.com for making reviews, so thank you for sending me this as a sample, because I really wanted to do this for a long time. So let's talk about a little bit of the Arduboy. So what is the Arduboy? It's a very unique concept if you ask me. This is something totally different if you look at all the portable systems I've reviewed before. This is a system that you are going to want to have and buy if you're into a little bit of programming. You can, let's say, make your own games, share your own games and download your own games. But the way it's packed up is very neatly done, because it comes in this anti-static packaging. I'm going to unpack it this time. Alright, I'm going to be removing it. And so far I understand from the video, from Arduboy itself, it was, I will not say indestructible, but it can survive a very hard and big drop. So yeah, this is what we are going to get. It's packed up very well and very nice. Here we have the power switch, a D-pad, AB, and a micro USB connection here. So what makes this thing so special? I think what is really cool about this thing, you're getting this game pre-installed, and if you look at the specification of this Arduboy, it's not very special. It even got a monochrome display, but it is an OLED monochrome display. Horizontal pixels 128 and vertical pixels 64, and you got a little battery, a lithium polymer battery, 180 milliamp. And only got one speaker. But what I mentioned before, what makes this thing so special is that if you're into gear programming, you can just stick in the cable that comes with it, a really tiny flat cable, and you can load up new games. And even if you're into programming, you can make your own games and share them online on the Arduboy community. So the thought behind it is really fun. And of course it's very tiny, so it fits in your pocket and you can play a little game on the go. So we play this game and I'm going to show you what are we going to get with this system. Mystic Balloon. Alright. Oh my god, this is like the Commander Keen all over again. That sound. So that is all the thought about this Arduboy. First seeing this, I didn't get it. Why are they bringing out something like this? But now I'm getting it. It's more like, not only if you want to program, if you just want to download and play some games on the go. It got this really awesome charm with this monochrome display and all the bling 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 sounds from the Commander Keen time back at the day of the DOS. Oh man, playing and gaming is not my thing. I'm not a woman, I can do things at the same time. Alright, I'm going to try this again. Don't talk too much. Alright. Oh man. And I played this game a little while before making this review, but I can still do it. Come on. Come on. Oh man, I need to get used to this button response. Yeah, what the main goal of this game is just to collect all the little coins and go to the end. So that's it. And Oh, I just received a balloon for that one. Ooh, spikes. So yeah, people, that is about the Arduboy. No, I mean the Arduboy. I really love what they did with this community, and yeah, that you can learn a little bit of programming, or if you just want to share games and re-upload. Keep in mind you can only use one game at a time, and so you need to swap it out. I think it's a funny product, and yeah, we'll leave a link in the description so you know where to find it. There are different colors. Let me know what you think of this, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.